Review of Heidelberg Cements, erstwhile Mysore Cement, which was taken over by a German company. It was already doing well. With the new parent, it's been doing very good on the performance side. Let's look at the rankings. Heidelberg Cement's on earnings rank is at 67.4. Not a great stock compared to the leaders in the sector as well as in the market. Out of 740 stocks that has been tracked as of this report, nearly 33% of stocks are better than Heidelberg in the market. That's about 200 plus, nearly 300 stocks are good on their profit growth in the market today. On price rank, Heidelberg ranks at 52.6. Nearly 50% of companies, about 350 companies, 360 companies, are better in their last 1 year returns that they have provided to their investors. So these are all past numbers, giving some weightages on the numbers that these ranks are done. And again, when it's psychological, when something brews up and catches attention, it continues for a long time. That's where these rankings all help us to invest and make returns. Stocks that are having above 80 ranks generally give around 300-400% gains. In a bull market, same qualified stocks that are above 80 on ranking gives nearly 600 to 1500%. This is a real example in the last 2 to 3 cycles in the market. Plotting the price rank chart of Heidelberg, it was at 63.8 6 months back. Steady decline, almost went close to 40 and now at 52.6. It shows investors have been disappointed. That's why we put this image here. With expectation, they came into the stock, and of course it has not performed to their expectation. Let's look at how the stock has rewarded its investors when you go to the charts. Coming to EBITDA, quarterly EBITDA growth, Heidelberg Cements was at 28.3% in September 18 quarterly. It slowly and steadily declined, hit a bottom of nearly 30-35% minus in June 20. Afterwards, in September 20, it is given a beautiful recovery. Currently, it stands at 0.6%. Of course, it's flat compared to what it had in 2018, while the jump that it has given between June to September is what is attractive in the stock. Coming to TTM EBITDA growth, to September 18, Heidelberg was at 53%. That is 100 rupees profit in the previous year. That next year they have made 150 rupees profit. While from there it had a steep downside. It has come to 7% in September 20. This generally investors will not like, and stock will also not have a performance. Going to the peer group comparison, ranking comparison, topmost in price ranking is Ultratech Cement. We know that stock has been doing extremely well in the market. Lowest on price rank is ACC. ACC has been lagging this season in the market. Coming to earnings rank, again Ultratech is the leader and ACC is the laggard. Where does Heidelberg stand? Heidelberg stands in between, while at the lower end. So obviously not the best stock in the market. Coming to business growth, Heidelberg had beautiful growth in 17-18. After that, it has been slow and steady decline. The image what we put here, market is expecting to hit a bullseye, while management is how much ever trying, they are only going down. So we can see the image what we have put, the chart the guy is showing, and the actual performance of the company, both are exactly same. Profit and sales have been taking a dip, margins still holding up. So one advantage here is margin remaining at the same levels. If sales picks up, that will bring goodies to the stock. Looks like that is what is market's expectation in the stock. When we go to the charts, we will get to know that. On the investors, retail investors made the right decision. They have been accumulating this stock, and stock has been going up the last couple of months. So they have made a right decision. That's why we put this image here, thumbs up by the retail investors. while FIIs and DIIs have been selling the stock. Of course, it is a low market cap stock. Their participation might not be very big, while retail investors were the real winners in the stock. Coming to charts, on the left side is a monthly chart. Last 3 years, stock actually climbed up in 2019. That's where the performance of the company also was very good on the balance sheet. Then after that, it took a steep decline during COVID times. It would not be said that because of COVID it went down. It had already built in weakness. That is, when it started going up, it was showing tiredness there. That tiredness culminated into a drop. Cement sector is one of the leaders in the market today, because when economy picks up and starts going up, cement metals will lead. That's what is happening. We are seeing in the last 6-7 months, cement stocks have been doing well, while Heidelberg has not been catching up pace with the leaders in the market. It is not doing so great. Slow run while it can continue. This stock is a ATM. That's what we put an image here of a ATM. What is ATM? It's a anytime money maker for the investor. Whenever price comes to value zones, it comes to its EMA, like 26 and 13 moving averages, we can just go ahead and buy the stocks within 2 weeks or 3 weeks time. They will give fantastic returns. So these kind of stocks in a bull market are like, you can have them in your track list, and whenever they come to value, just buy them and you will immediately make fast bucks. And if we can run, say, 10 positions in a year with such kind of stocks, obviously 20 to 25% returns is kind of guaranteed from these kind of stocks. So it has been going up, rewarding investors richly, while not at the pace at which the leaders are doing. Ultratech Cement, if we are plotting the price move, that has been far higher than Heidelberg. Yet this stock can be had in your track list for ATMs, anytime money making, whenever the stock comes to value zone. All views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock markets from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. Do your due diligence, get to know the risks before getting into the stock. Thank you.